Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today the Volkswagen T5 Transporter, the Beast, how to turn on the rear fog light. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the main beams on, so the side lights and the headlights, and this is what it looks like from the rear. Now to turn on the fog lights, you literally just pull that switch out, and then you get a small sign on your dashboard saying that the rear fog lights are on, and there's a link above now about all the other dashboard lights and what they mean. And as you can see here, the rear fog light is on. Now on the VW T5 it's only got an offside rear fog light, there isn't a near side one, so don't worry if you think that is broken. Now if you've got light switch 2 or 3 on the diagram here, it means you've got front and rear fog lights. So what you do is you pull it out 1 click for the rear fog light and pull it out 2 clicks for front and rear fog lights. And then you will get these warning lights up on your dashboard. After all that hard work, it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. Really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.